Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do Accordion Lady Combs. Now, knowing how to do Accordion Combs would be good. So if you've got that under your belt, then you're ready for this one. It's slightly different timing. Link to that in the description below in case you've not done that. Slightly different timing, and obviously it goes over the lady as opposed to over the guy. So the whole thing looks like this, and obviously how many combs you do is up to you. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3. So Accordion Lady Combs, let's break it down. It starts like a standard accordion. We go semicircle back, we offer the hand, we send the lady out to the right, the guy heads out to the left, we're stepping away, the right hand is staying high, but we come in, take the right hand over the lady for the comb, lady comb. As we step back, we recollect with the right hand on top, and then we just do the next piece of the accordion. So we're going through in a turn direction, so we go right over the lady, left over the lady, we head back keeping the left high, we come in, comb with the left over the lady, and recollect with the left hand on top, and then it's just repeat. Return sends the lady and the guy off to opposite direction, so lady to the right, guy to the left. We do the comb, we recollect. Then we do the turn direction, lady's off to the left, guy's off to the right, we do the comb. No need to recollect because we're actually finishing this time, and it's just a right-handed return, lower, and we're done. So let's do the same thing from the other side and think numbers. So you get the other view and the timing. So we go semicircle back and offer 1, return 2, back 3, comb 4, back 5, turn 6, back 7, comb 8, catch 1, return 2, back 3, comb 4, catch 5, turn 6, back 7, comb 8, no need to collect 1, return 2, and back 3. So we've done all the bits, we've done the timing. Let's see if we can do it to a count together. Here we go. 5, 6, Accordion Lady Combs. You go, offer, return, back, comb the lady, and catch. Turn, back, comb the lady, and catch. Return, back, comb the lady, and catch. Turn, back, comb the lady, no need to catch, return the lady, and you're done. Okay, hope you find that useful. We will be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Do like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Every time you like, you're promoting the move. Every time you subscribe, you're promoting the channel. So big thank you to everyone who does that. Thank you. And obviously if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.